Most free AI video tools are a lie. You've seen the ads, they promise Hollywood quality for $0, but the second you hit generate, you're hit with the paywall. Not even a preview. It's frustrating, it's a waste of time, and honestly, it's holding your content back. I got tired of the bait and switch. So, over the last few weeks, I've stress tested over 100 different platforms. Most were trash, but I found 3 hidden treasures that actually deliver. Look at this footage on your screen right now. The lighting, the physics, the detail. I didn't pay a single cent for this. No hidden fees, no credits that run out in 5 seconds, and no watermarks that ruin your edit. This is going to completely transform your workflow. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to unlock these gatekept tools on your own computer so you can stop paying the AI tax and start creating. Go to Google and search for Qwen AI, then click on the first link. Once you land on the home page, you will see multiple options like image editing, search, and more. But today, we are focusing on video generation. Click on video. Now here is the important part. You must log in because video generation does not work in guest mode. Just sign in with your Google account and you are in. Once inside, take a look at the left side. You will see options like New Chat, Search, Chat, and Community. Click on Community. Now just look at this. These videos are created by other users and the quality is insane. Look at the details. Look at how real everything feels. This is exactly the type of content that goes viral. Now let's go back and create our own. You will notice there are different modes available: auto, thinking, and fast. For now, I am going to stick with auto mode. You can also see here that you have the option to upload your own image or generate one from scratch. Don't worry, we will test that part later. For now, let's go ahead and click on Create Video. Choose 16:9 for YouTube. Paste your prompt. Once everything is set, click on Generate, and in just a few seconds, your video is ready. Look at this. The quality is sharp, realistic, and super clean. You can also download it or share it with your team. Now, I have already created a few different scenes and generated multiple videos. Let's take a look at them together.
It's okay. I'm here. Buddy? Buddy, where are you? Catch me, Sunny! Sunny!
Now let's try something different. Go back to the main page, then click on Create Image. Now paste your prompt and click Generate. And look at this result. It is clean, detailed, and very professional. Now here is where it gets powerful. Click on Create Video under the image. Add a motion prompt and generate. And just like that, you have turned a simple image into a cinematic video. This is insane. And yes, still free. Now imagine turning this into a full content system that posts daily and starts generating real income for you. Now let me show you another powerful tool. Go to Google and search for Comfy UI. Click the first link. You will see 2 options: download or cloud, and both are free. For now, we are going to use the cloud version. Click on Comfy Cloud, then launch and log in. Once inside, you will see a dashboard with multiple features: images, videos, audio, and even 3D. Now go to the top and click on Run on Comfy UI. Click on Task, and you will see options like image to video or text to video. For now, let's go ahead and choose text to video. This part might look complicated, but do not worry. Focus only on 2 boxes, the green and the red. Paste your prompt in both, then click Run and just wait. In a few seconds, your video is ready. Look at the colors, the details, the movement. Here is another video created with the same tool. This looks like something made by a professional studio. Now, one thing to know, these videos do not come with audio, but do not worry. You can go to the audio section, paste your script, generate a voiceover, and combine everything using a simple app like CapCut. Now let's move to the final tool. Go to Google and search for Gemini Gen AI. Click the first link and log in. Once you are inside, you will see models like Veo 3 Fast and Grok. These are powerful, and yes, some of them are free. Paste your prompt in this section. Choose the orientation. I will keep it 16 by 9 for YouTube videos. Now again, pay attention here. Keep the resolution on standard and the duration on 6 seconds. This is the key to staying on the free plan. Then click generate, and within minutes, you have another high quality video ready. You can download it, regenerate it, or even extend it into another scene. Go back to the main page, and this time let us test Veo 3 Fast to see how powerful it really is for generating videos. Select Veo 3 Fast, paste your prompt, and click generate. The video looks incredibly realistic, with smooth motion and cinematic lighting that instantly grabs attention. These are some of the strongest free tools available right now for creating AI videos. You do not need costly software. You do not need a complicated setup. What really matters is consistency, because the people who are succeeding right now are the ones showing up and creating content every single day. So if you are serious about starting your channel, this is your opportunity. Do not overthink it. Just start creating. I'm here to help you with your video making journey. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any tips and tricks.